Law of the jungle. The predator is coming. Who is a predator? A break? A dinosaur? A backpack? The predator is a meaty and easy to control quadcopter. Flexible materials ensure high protection against a harsh environment and minor bounce. Swift and responsive, powerful and energetic, precise and quick stop. Enjoy the flight in headless mode. Cool 360-degree flip. Outdoor boat fly at park or open area. Indoor gentle fly at home. Shuttle at ease. Safe crash. Just press the one key return. Back to you safely. Begin your adventure and experience the brand new Predator now.
I'll go ahead and connect this. Slide in the battery. Once you download that, you can just open that up. Now what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, into your Wi-Fi settings. And then once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi. And take note, guys, this has nothing to do with your Wi-Fi network or internet connection. It's a direct connection right from your phone to the drone, okay? So no internet whatsoever. And then from here, here's the tricky part. I've seen other YouTube videos where they couldn't find the actual name. Well, it's a little bit difficult because it has nothing to do with the actual name of the drone, but they named this one MJX_H. So tap on that, give it a second to connect, and then we'll go ahead and open up the Drocon app. And then from here, we'll go ahead and tap on monitor. And right now you can see the FPV front person view is working right now. All right guys, so I got the FPV up. Go ahead and fire this bad boy up. I think it's on setting number 1 right now. Let me go ahead and switch this up. Or you know what, let me wait. Okay, so looks like it's on setting 1. It's flying like a little bit slow here. Let's go ahead and move the setting up to number 2 here. Okay, now it's flying a little bit faster now. Whoa! Go ahead and try a couple flips here. Oh, nice.